sometimes, the chance only comes once. It could be lost forever if you don't exploit it. But you can get what you want if you exploit it well. Today, the chance reach you quickly. We offer you a new chance every day. Who we are. Since 2008, AEB Pumps has been a leading supplier in the world of pumps. Whether water, submersible, or fires, controller, valves, and electric automation to achieve a safer and more sustainable industrial world by assembling pumps and its own electric panels. We are the official sponsor of international companies in Egypt. In addition to multiple maintenance services, we hope for a more sustainable world. We believe that human is the greatest source of energy. So we help skilled people to use their best to accomplish their goals. AEB Pumps. Chance will change your world.